Hi, I'm Indy Lee, and I created this line of clean and effective skincare to empower people to be mindful about what they put on their skin and in their bodies. I want to introduce you to one of the favorite steps of my skincare ritual, our CoQ10 toner. This alcohol-free toner is formulated with powerhouse antioxidant CoQ10, which protects against environmental stressors, making it a perfect solution for those living in an urban setting. Inspired by Japanese essences, we've included hyaluronic acid to plump and aloe vera and cucumber extract to soothe the skin. This product is great at priming your skin, and it's your first defense against pollution. It's super easy to apply. You can spray it directly onto your face and neck and use a cotton pad to remove any leftover residue. I love to toss my toner in my gym bag to remove buildup of sweat and refresh my skin post-workout. Indy Lee is grounded in nature, supported through science, and inspired by life.